guys, welcome back to our videos. I'm Addie. Today I'm going to open up l.o.l Surprise Glam Glitter Series 2. If you like l.o.ls, go down there and like this video. And while you're at it, go down there and subscribe. It's fun and it's free. I'm so excited about this series. Let's get started. I'm so excited. Ooh, it's like gold and a little girl. It says Golden Child. Golden Child. Ooh, is it golden? That's a question. And I like the hearts on it. Okay, on to the 4 layers. Here's a sticker sheet that says Cry Spit. Ooh! There's a package on the bottom. Okay, let's open this one. Ooh! This is a pink bottle with glittery on it. Hey! I'm so excited who we get. Okay. And I love the ball. We got another one. Okay. Ooh, there's sparkly boots. Okay. Open this. Whoa, they have another layer. Wow, they have a lot of layers. Ooh, it's a black ball. Whoa, that flew out. Okay. Let's set this back up. Okay, here's the checklist. Ooh, here's the back. Here's the front. Okay, let's open this first. Ooh, there's like little ears. Okay, let's see who the doll is. Ooh, who is this? Okay, let's see what her name is. So, her name is Vice, and she's a fabulous. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, there's one in here. How did I miss that? Okay, let's see what's in here. Ooh, she has like a sparkly crop top. Let's see if she cries, spits, or color changes. Okay, let's put her in the water. Okay, she doesn't color change. So let's see. Oh, she's gonna do something. Okay, she's peeing. Yep, she's peeing. I think she had to go to the bathroom. Okay, so she pees. So let's put her off to the side and open another one. And we will dress them up at the end so you guys can see them dressed up. Okay, let's open our next one. Whoa, I'm so excited who we get this time. Her thing says Glitter Bomb. Whoa. Okay, and here's the thing that it says. Cry, spits, or color changes. Okay, let's open our first blind bag. Ooh, my favorite color, blue. I love her bottle. My 2 favorite colors, pink and blue. Okay, let's open our next one. It's another black ball. Let's open our second one. Ooh, I love the shoes. It's pink sparkly shoes. or red, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's see what this is. I love her outfit. I think she loves pink and blue. Okay, let's reveal. Okay, let's open this one until we open the doll. I love the hat. It's pink sparkly. I think I'm gonna love this doll. She has like galaxy hair. She's so pretty. Okay, let's see what her name is. Her name is Bird Baby. Okay, let's see if she cries, spits, or color changes. Okay, I don't think she color changes. Oh, she does something. Okay. She's a crier. Let's open our next one. The first layer of this one's hard. Keep getting little pieces. Okay. It says, dress for success. Okay. Here's a sheet that says cry, spits, or color changes. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, I love this bottle. I think I'm gonna get a really good one. Okay, let's open this one up. I love these high heels. It has like little pom-poms on them. Okay. Open up this one. It's like a belly skirt. I love it. Okay. Let's see what's in the ball. This one's hard to open. Okay, there it is. It's the checklist. Okay, let's open this up. It's like a little thing that you put over your head when you're an angel. It's so cute. Okay, let's see what our doll looks like. She has galaxy hair like the other one. I love her. Her name is Sugar. She's a fabulous like the other one. Okay, let's see if she color changes or spits or cries. Oh, she turns all black. I love her. Oh, she does something else, I think. Oh, she spits. I love this girl. So she has wings on the back. So I love that you can put it in the water and you can rub her and it comes off. Like that. Okay, let's open our last one. And then I'm gonna get them all dressed for you. Oh, this is coming out quick. Whoa! Oh no, it says glitter bomb again. Does that mean we have a duplicate? We'll find out. Here's the chart that says she color changes or spits or cries. Okay, let's see what's in this one. Oh, I think it's the bottle. Ooh, it's like a yellow bottle with blue glitter on it. Let's open our next thing. Okay, let's see what's in this. Okay. They're black and yellow shoes. So I don't think we got a duplicate. Okay, let's see what's in here. I love this outfit. Okay. I'm super excited about the doll because I love the outfit. Here's a checklist. Ooh, there are 2 in here. Extra surprises in this one. I love the sunglasses. Necklace! I thought there was nothing in here. I love the yellow necklace. Okay, let's see who's the doll. Her legs are galaxy and her like hair, I think, is galaxy. I love her. Her name is Neon Cutie. Okay, let's see if she spits, cries, or color changes. Yeah, I don't think she color changes. Oh, she does something. Oh, she spits. So let's get them all dressed. So they're so cute. I'm so glad I got them. Tell me in the comments which one you think is better. Sugar Spice, Burr Baby, and Neon Cutie. We hope you liked this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified when we post another video.